Click Edit next to Health Insurance Questionnaire. Check the boxes that apply to the taxpayer and their tax household. A. They had healthcare coverage through an employer. B. They received healthcare through the government. C. They purchased private health insurance. D. They purchased health insurance at the marketplace. And or E. At least one family member did not have coverage at any time during the tax year. Only continue if D or E was selected. If D was selected, skip the next question. If E was selected, choose the answer that best relates to the taxpayer. A. The taxpayer can be claimed as a dependent by another taxpayer. B. The taxpayer has a coverage exemption because their household income is below filing threshold. Click More Info for additional information. C. The taxpayer is claiming a hardship exemption because their gross income is below the filing threshold. D. The taxpayer does not have a coverage exemption but does not want a shared responsibility payment on their return. They may still owe the payment, and it's their decision not to include the payment on their return. Click More Info for additional information. Or select E for none of the above. Only continue if E was selected. If the taxpayer is claiming dependents that will file a federal return as well, enter the total AGI from the dependents return in Box A. In Box B, enter the total of any tax-exempt interest from the dependents return. In Box C, enter any amounts for the dependents from Form 2555. In Box D, enter the difference between Form 1040, lines 20A and 20B, or Form 1040A, lines 14A and 14B. If the taxpayer and/or a member of their tax household has a coverage exemption granted by the marketplace, answer yes. Select the individual and enter the certificate exemption number. If the taxpayer and/or a member of their tax household has a coverage exemption to claim, select yes. Select the individual, the months exempt, and the exemption type. Answer if the taxpayer and/or any member of their tax household did not have minimum essential coverage at any time during the tax year. If yes, select the individual and the months they did not have coverage. Check if the person was 18 or older. Click Save.